Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to charge POCO X6 Pro. So let's check wireless charger, and as you can see it's not working, but I will show you other options how you can charge your device. So what you're gonna need is any type of USB-C cable. You can even use your cable from the mouse, so that's amazing. And how to charge it: to put inside your phone USB-C part, and you will hear the sound, you will see the image, and you will feel the vibration that charging started. So interesting fact about your device is that your device supports fast charging. With 67-watt charger that comes in a box, your smartphone can be charged within 41 minutes. That's amazing. And also your smartphone has 5000 mAh battery, which means that your battery have a long life. Even with active use, you will have enough charge for the whole day. That's amazing. So I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.